In this video, I am going to read. Eating healthy. We all living beings need food. We need food when we are hungry. Our body need food to grow strong and healthy. Food gives us energy to work and to play. Good food makes our bone and body strong. Our food comes from plants and animals. Some food grains are rice, oat, wheat, jawar, maize, millet. Some fruits like grapes, apples, pineapples, banana, and mango. Some of our vegetables like cauliflower, onion, carrots, cucumber, ladyfinger, etc. Food from animals birds, fish,